Hello, hey, today is the 31st day of July, also known as FOMC day, a day that I typically trade in a very nervous manner. I went ahead and I marked all the entries today, and I ended up break even, just so we're all on the same page. I might have been down one tick or $12 or something, but I just wasn't interested in trading on FOMC day. I find that the market gets really nervous, might make a run or two early on, but then it kind of goes into a flat period, waiting for the news to come out at 2 o'clock today. And I just didn't really want to risk my account on today's effort. So I did mark the trades though. So today market opened up and structure immediately went red on us, or short. We were looking for shorts. Had a nice entry here where we were in an overbought situation, had a rocket, lead out, needle bar, kind of everything we're looking for. I'm typically tagging a 16 tick take profit with a 16 tick stop loss. This one went 15 ticks and did not quite get there, and walked back, and then actually was a loser. So I did mark that as a loser, but I'll play with that a little bit later and show you what I probably would have done. I did not take that trade because it was 9:34. I normally like to wait 5 minutes before after the market opens to be able to take my first trade. I was in this trade, however. So had the exact same setup. Market structure went that we're looking for shorts. Had an overbought situation with the rocket. Almost got the needle bar, but that's enough for me that I'm looking. This is a kind of the classic signal, the pivot retag on the upside. It gave us 11 ticks on this. I went to break even and was hit out. So I got $0 on that, paid the commission to be able to get in it. And then we were greeted with another trade that I took almost right away, a similar type of situation where wasn't quite an oversold situation, but it was a pivot retag, and the whole morning was way up. So I was thinking it was at least going to go back up and touch the open. So I went ahead and I got in, and again I went to break even after it got up almost to my initial target of 8 ticks here. It went 7. I went to break even and I got hit out. So after 2 trades, I'm sitting there at kind of $0 down the commission on the day. But this trade actually walked back just about to the tick before it went on to win. So that is a loser from the way that I'm tracking it. Next trade, still with up structure, was a beautiful trade. It came down, touched out of bounds, gave me a rocket with a lead out, gave me a needle bar confirmation. And the couple of people I trade with were also in this trade. This was a nice setup. My son took this and made his whole day on it today, so that was a good call. And then the market continued. It got past the open, went back, gave us a similar type of setup where we had a nice pullback, had a T2, had a rocket with a lead out here, and gave us all 3 ticks on that. I wasn't in that trade. I wasn't trading any longer past this. I was just kind of, like I said, I was just nervous. And when I'm nervous, my mind isn't quite right. Didn't want to risk any money. So I was just taking the day off. But these are the trades. That one went 16 ticks. Next one, very similar type of setup. Hope you guys are beginning to see that the setups are pretty much all the same. This one went down, went in oversold situation. We got a lead out here with a needle bar confirmation. Did give us some heat before it went on to win, but it was a winner nonetheless. At that point, if you were trading this plan, you'd have been up $400 on FOMC day. I would hope you would have quit, but if not, there are more trades to tag here. Next one kind of took right into congestion, coming off of a congested high up here as well. I don't think people who understand market structure and market content would have been taking this trade, but the signal set up with the rocket out of bounds, came back, gave us a lead out entry with another rocket. So we were expecting this to go back up and at least challenge the high and give us a chance to get our ticks, but it never really did. Only got a couple 3 or 4 ticks up one time. Next trade, market structure went down just for a minute and then reverted back up to looking for longs again. We had a really nice oversold lead out with a lot of buying momentum here. That was a relatively easy trade to identify and then to stick in. And then here was a trade as well that gave us 12 ticks, but not 16, and walked back and was a loser for us. But this is, again, the creme de la creme setup here. Overbought situation. We have a lead out coming up on the first one. Then we get a rocket with the needle bar with the pivot retag right through here. Very nice needle bar confirmation as well. And again, it gave us 12, but not 16. So if you were trading the 16.16 today, you actually were down $240. On a day like this, and I think anymore, I'm more trading a 16.8. I mean, I'm looking for 8 ticks to be able to take profit. And if you did that the entire day, you were up a whopping $56, but you did face a $313 drawdown. I'll show what a 12 tick also would have been like. 12 tick would have also been up $56, but had a drawdown of $613. So today, probably the safest way to trade would have been the 16.8. And again, you're looking on FOMC days, you're kind of looking just to scalp anyways. And so that would have been that for the day. Hope you guys had a profitable day. And I'm not going to trade the rest of the day. I don't trade in the afternoon as the FOMC announcement is going on. It just gets a little bit too volatile. And yeah, you can make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot in a very short order. And the part of it that I don't like about it is you can't really explain why. It's just market movement in a volatile environment. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning and get back on it. Hope you guys had a great day and are having a profitable week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.